Hey guys, what up? It's Lizzie. Welcome to my moving vlog. So a little bit of a backstory. I am in a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom right now, and I'm moving into a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom just for 2 months while we wait for our house to be finished. So there's gonna be a lot of moving content coming up on the channel, but let's hop into the moving vlog. I am gonna go to the apartment right now and check it out. First thing I'm bringing is toilet paper. The apartment we're moving to is actually in the same complex, and it's pretty much right next door to us, so it's going to be a pretty easy move, hopefully. Don't really need my blue light glasses right now. Still not looking forward to the move, but I will document it for you guys because who doesn't love a moving vlog? All right guys, so just here's a quick overview of what the apartment looks like. It's pretty clean, looks good. I hate that the fridge doesn't have a water dispenser, but yeah, it looks pretty clean in here. No complaints. Get a nice big window, closet for storage. Quick bedroom overview. And then the bathroom. So, yep, it's kind of worse than our current apartment, but it's just temporary. It is my lunch hour and I'm gonna actually move a few things. I'm gonna start with this. All right guys, lunch break is almost over. I moved a couple things. I got like the larger, easy furniture to move, like the side tables and stuff like that. But yeah, I actually made good progress just in this hour. It's kind of cold today. It might snow later, so that will be interesting. But I do need to get back to work for a little bit. I'll update you guys when I start moving again, probably around like 4:35. I am off tomorrow. Tomorrow's Friday, so I'm just gonna move all day tomorrow. Then I think Saturday, some friends are gonna help us with the heavier stuff. Also need to break my desk down, which is fine. I don't need my monitors. Like, I can live without them for a couple days if I need to, and just use my laptop. So I probably will do that at some point today, and just like, cause I have it up on but I have it like propped up, like my monitor's propped up. So I need to like kind of disassemble it a little bit and then yeah, move it. So yeah, good start. It was a good start. I actually got a lot more done than I thought I would. Okay, so I still had like 10 minutes of lunch left. So I was like, let me pack up some knickknacks and board games, and let me show you what just happened. I packed this so perfectly, by the way. Literally, I did not tape up the box, and I had this thing like full. I've got plants in here, I got board games. I tried to pick it up and just boom, all over the floor. So I can't really talk about this right now. I'm gonna deal with that after work. Bye. Hold on, let me pause listening to Emma Chamberlain's podcast right now. I took this thing off and it actually came off really easily. So I'm just gonna leave it here. These are my monitors for my computer, and I can just use my laptop for the next couple days. Well, actually, I'm off work now, but if I need to do anything, I can just use my laptop, and I have tomorrow off, so these are down. Yeah, my desk is like ready to move. I don't really keep that much stuff on my desk, so it shouldn't be that hard to move it. But I'll show you what I did. So I started cleaning out this closet and most of this stuff is here, so that'll all be really easy to walk over. I took pretty much everything out of here. I just left the cleaning stuff. I don't know, we're probably not gonna be cleaning that much. So, okay, backstory on the cleaning. I'm not gonna go hard cleaning this place because when we got it, it was really messy. And honestly, I keep a pretty clean household anyways, so I might just do the shower and like the counters and the floors, but I'm not gonna like get on my hands and knees. Sorry, not gonna do it. Pretty much emptied this closet. This is like my little nail stickers and hand soap. So these I'll probably like use soon-ish, so I'm not fully packing them. I'm trying to pack as much stuff as possible that like I don't use on the day-to-day basis and just like keep it packed, so I don't have to like unpack and repack a million times. But I still have all of my like daily products here because we're still gonna be sleeping here tonight and possibly tomorrow night, so we'll see. Okay, it looks like it's snowing outside and I was just about to move some stuff over. I'm off work, by the way. I am just waiting for Brian to get home, and yeah, I'm just gonna move some things over. Found a pimple patch and put a hat on, so life is good. Guys, sad news. Brian actually has to work late until like 8 o'clock tonight, so we're solo moving right now. It's snowing, it's cold. I've gotten a lot of stuff here. I'm pretty proud. It doesn't really seem like a lot, but I've gotten a couple things. It is now full on snowing. I ripped a bag and I've cleaned out quite a bit. I'm actually really surprised what I've gotten done in such a short amount of time alone. Some of that stuff is just gonna stay there. All right, it's officially snowing pretty hard, so I am just gonna pack up the house. I think I'm gonna take one more load over because I need to turn off the light and lock the door. But yeah, I'm like, everything is a mess right now. And I think I'm just gonna pack it up so that it's really easy to move tomorrow. And I might load up my car tomorrow. If there's a parking spot like nearby, I might just do that, so. Truly living, listening to Kayla Nicholson's podcast and eating this garlic pita. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little annoyed that it's snowing right now. Like, I love the snow, it's magical, but I'm doing my moving without a car at the moment because I could load up my car, but it seems kind of silly because I'm not like going hard. Like, I'm getting a couple things. I guess I could load up my car. I was just gonna pack up here. I think that would be a better use of my time because then I can pack up my car and everything is kind of like in bags, so it's easier to move if I pack it up now instead of just being like loose. So I think that's my plan. I'm gonna run over there. So I'm labeling this bag. I wouldn't normally do that, but these are like shoes that we never wear. Cornstarch, water chestnuts, tomato paste,
as I fall behind. I'm so sorry for dreaming about the future. Maybe I'll be better when we're old enough. Hey, I'm sorry for dreaming about the future.
I'm not really sure why my packing style just is pure chaos. I go from like a different room to a different room to a different room and do different things. But it's actually working out really well and I'm not gonna stop it because I'm enjoying it and I don't wanna get stuck in one room. Okay, not me having this idea and just showing you guys for a helpful tip, but I was curious. So I just took this corner off with this blue. Okay, all I'm saying is like this shit works. This did not leave any blue residue at all. Shout out Loctite. Good morning, guys. It is day 2 of moving. The snow stuck last night, so we're moving in the snow. You hate to hear it. I'm gonna have my coffee because I'm feeling really groggy, and Brian should be home in like 2 hours to help. Okay, moving is going well. I filled up the car, not to the brim, but still pretty full. And I'm just gonna drive over to the apartment, like less trips back and forth. Sorry, the lighting was really whack. Something funny happened this morning though. So when you buy a house, they have to verify your employment, obviously. We just changed HR softwares. So when they went to verify my employment, it basically stated she no longer works instead of we don't use that software anymore. So they were emailing me all frantically this morning like, do you have a job? Do you have an offer letter that you could show us? Like, this could ruin the whole process. And I was like, I still have a job. I still have one. So I got that all fixed and packed the car. It's like 10 o'clock-ish now, and I'm just gonna do this load and see where I get. But so far so good. Oh my gosh, I'm working up a sweat. Like, I'm sweating. Got some of the pantry done. I'm realizing they didn't really do a good job cleaning like the crevices and stuff. I'm just seeing crumbs and leftover like shit, you know, whatever. I forgot that I don't have stools. Okay, I just cleaned my stove because I did make pumpkin bread and a bunch dripped down, so I sprayed some oven cleaner and I'm gonna let it sit for a second and then try to wipe it out. Okay, so I tried to wipe this off, but it wasn't really coming off, so I just covered the whole thing with saran wrap. I do that, well, I saw a video to do this because it like makes it not dry out. So you just leave it for a couple hours and then it should be really easy to clean. So I'm gonna try that. I'm not really gonna clean these. They're not that dirty. I'm just gonna pick this piece of frozen. I'm just gonna toss that. So yeah, I'll let you guys know how it works. We'll check back in a couple hours. Making another trip, and actually our internet guy that's setting up the internet should be there from 1 to 3. So I'm leaving a note on the door because once I empty this, maybe I'll put some stuff away for a while, but if he doesn't show up in the frame that I'm there, I'm just gonna leave a note for him. But got a ton of shit in the car. Brian is stuck at work, unfortunately. He's got a lot going on right now, so he'll be back hopefully soon, and then we can move together. We got Chick-fil-A for our first meal in the new apartment. Big surprise. The internet guy just came, so we officially have internet. And now we are gonna go move the couch and bed. So I'll keep you guys posted when we get that. We got the bed frame over here. It was a pain in the but I think that's gonna be the hardest piece of furniture. Actually, maybe my desk. All right, guys, we've made a ton of progress since you last saw it. We've got the couch in here, all the cushions. We got the bed, as you can see. Brian's friend helped with the couch. Like, thank God. I did not want to do that. So I'm very happy that it's inside right now. Okay, things are happening. Yes, we've got a lot going on, but pretty much everything is here. Bathroom is probably the least unpacked. Closet is getting somewhere. It's been a really long day. It's like 6 o'clock. We're gonna get pizza, shower, and just chill because that was a lot of moving that we did. Yeah. Oops. All right.
Keep the 5 alive. That's what we've been saying for days. But
we passed out so early last night and now it's like 9 o'clock. We've been up for a little bit, but just been chilling. I think I'm gonna set my desk up, put a couple things away in the kitchen, and then probably just hang out for a little bit and then go back to the old apartment and pick some more stuff up and maybe clean.
Three, two, one. Arguing again.